Claire, would you like to start?
Yeah, no problem. So, surprisingly, I'm surprised, but I only have positive things to say. In terms of, first, let's start with how the program like started. It's like I didn't think I had like this image or this bias already. It's like okay, the structure like is strict and like work and like all that. But then I met you and I was like, oh, she's nice and she's relaxed and she's actually trying to help us and and facilitate our growth in the program. And I was like, yeah, okay, that's nice. And then the only thing that I would say I didn't like is the amount of work and the repetitiveness of it. It's like I don't like, since it's just me, but I don't like doing a task again and again and again if I already,
Mm-mm.
I got it once. But then it also made me learn that it's good to like, do it again and again as an exercise. Oh, it's so cute.
Oh, I missed something. What was that?
Yeah, it was her son. So cute.
Oh, okay. Oh no, I want to
Yeah.
see him. I was busy. Okay.
And so it did help in a way, like, because I'm preparing for university, right? So then I was like, why not just start a month ahead and, study and then do the exercises because I already know and what I'm going into. My dad can verify for me because that was his field of study. So it kind of helped in that way. And like I planned out a whole schedule of what to do, like for the month of August and how I'm going to study and all that. So it was a good thing. I didn't like it, but it became a good thing to like, complete the task again and again and get better at it. And after that, what else? Yeah, it was fun and interesting, and I liked having the discussions with you guys because, like I said, when you think about it, it's hard to have a deep or like meaningful conversation with people about real issues nowadays. Like they're all about superficial talk and meaningless talk, and like sometimes it's good to have that because it's okay to relax your mind. But nowadays, it's like every day, all the time, you never have a chance to actually sit down and talk with somebody about things that matter to them or to you. And you would find it surprising what you can find out or learn about the person, like if you had like, a real talk with them. And since it's my personality type, I'm an IFN J. So I'm constantly wanting to talk about serious topics, which is why not many people, can handle. It's like you can talk about flowers and then I'll tell you about the
So,
environment and what's going on
sorry to
with it.
interrupt.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt, Claire. Is it Myers Briggs
Yeah.
personality type? INFJ? Did you say?
Mm-hmm.
Exactly same as mine.
Yep.
It's amazing. Okay, carry on. Sorry,
So
I had
no,
to
it's
confirm.
okay. Yeah, yeah. And so
Okay.
that's why in terms of discussions I found it, I don't know, liberating and peaceful to like talk about, serious issues and all that. So yeah, I really liked it. It was a really good class and I learned the official terms of some issues in the languages and when you have multiple like merging, substitution, and like skills that you could probably practice and learn more to make it better for yourself. And yeah, it's really good.
Thanks, Claire. Um, yeah, I see that you do quickly, you know, catch on, and so that was actually my challenge was to challenge you even more with new. So thank you. Cindy, what about you?
Oh, I am like my reflection would be more or less the same as Claire has mentioned. Um, I think it's good to have a tough teacher. No, I'm saying that like jokingly, but um, anyway, as a whole, I really enjoyed And for me, I really enjoy group work, and I think I really enjoy the uh, presence of the uh, I would put it as a colleague, my colleague Claire and Mark and myself, and it's also a mixture of different sexes. That's to me that really, based on my experience, that will, you know, really stimulate the group discussion as well. And I believe in group work. It's really powerful, and when we are united, and yeah. So in that sense, I really enjoy it, and also I enjoy the components, different components of the program, video interpretation and article. I tried to pronounce R. Article interpretation and impromptu and vocabulary. Yeah, all these different components. And the thing is, I've noticed that I've been a student for a long time. I've been in academia, even teaching, doing advanced studies for a long time. And so I'm used to receive syllabus in advance. You know what I mean? So that I could, as a student, able to have expectation of the class. So without that, it took me time to get used to what is it that happening today. Do you know what I mean? I've noticed that like towards the as time went by, I was able to pull things together. Okay, we are having discussion questions, and now I can see the threads, different threads of the program. So I wonder whether the student can receive what to expect, you know, in advance. That's just my suggestion. And so it being an INFJ, J means, I really want to see really want to organize things. You know what I mean? That was like anxious to organize. Oh, what's happening today? Okay, this is what's happening. Yeah, repetition. Claire has mentioned. Yeah, I thought the same, but then for me, my personality is to try to understand what's happening and see things in a positive light. So it really helped me to, though. Repetition really helped me to go back what I have done and how I have pronounced the words and what went wrong, and you know what I mean. Like a lot of self 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 reflection in pronunciation and video, all components of the program. So I had to do that. That really helped me, though, because you when you work in a professional environment, you don't have much time to do that. You know what I mean? To go back and self-reflect on how you have pronounced, because of the nature of work, right? And but it's just it really yeah. In that sense, I really enjoyed program and homework. Yeah. So yeah, I think in general it's been really positive, enriching program, and also lasting the. Uh, but I think it was very important because Grace, you asked us to choose the. I think it was a good thing that student have an opportunity to choose the video, clip, and also article, and then story. And when I chose something out, you know, I chose those things based on my insight, but it really helped me to see my culture of origin from a different perspective. You know what I mean? I'm now totally like objective to see all different cultures, and even Korean cultures, for instance. But it was really, yeah, that was really it's been a really positive experience to me, because when I went back to read the article and story again, it was, oh, wow. It's what we call it, professional terminology call it hermeneutics. We use that terminology, hermeneutics. And when you go back, even when you read different passages of the Bible again and again, but then you have new insights. So that the phenomenon has happened to me while I'm doing that. So it was incredible experience, and so I just wanted to add that. Yeah, yeah, and I really appreciate again presence of my colleagues, and also our teacher, Grace. You've done a wonderful and great job. Thank you.